Welcome to UniApp space. So here is how you are going to use UniApp to achieve academic excellence without stress. So UniApp has been structured on a chapter by chapter based so that you have ease of access of study material. Now, so you can see we have two compartments here. We have the preparatory and we have the library. So let's start from the library and using GSE 202 as an example. Let's start from the library. Then I come to GSE 202. So you can see this GSE 202, it is structured on a chapter by chapter base. So chapter 1, chapter 2, up to the last chapter, chapter 9, for the current textbook, the new textbook for GSE 202. So I can study chapter 1 or any chapter, and once I'm done, I'll go and take a test. So here, let's use chapter 4 as an example. So for GSE, I think what we need is an audio lesson, not a video lesson. But you can take video as well for some courses like mathematics and all, as the case may be, and depending on what your tutor prepare. So let's just try to. For you to be able to listen to audio or video lesson, you need to download them. And once you download them, you always have access to it. So you don't need to have data to actually use it again. It's just one time, so that you can have access to it and to reduce your cost. So here now, I will try to download this chapter, this particular section of this chapter. So we are in chapter 4, and under chapter 4 we have several audio lessons. We have about 4, each of them being a subsection in the chapters. So we have feasibility analysis, conducting feasibility analysis, product or service feasibility analysis, and manufacture or financial feasibility analysis. So let's wait for the download to complete, and once it's done, we can have access to the audio lesson. So we are waiting. Now the download is complete. So you can see a delete button. It means, so you are done listening to the audio lesson, and maybe your storage is full, so you want to do some audio lessons to download another one. You can do that. Now clicking on this is the audio lesson interface. In this audio lesson interface, you can download the PDF for that particular chapter. So we are in chapter 4. Don't mind that we are using invoice, like just a random PDF, but this will be the PDF of that particular course and of that particular chapter. So we are in chapter 4 of GSE 202. So this is the chapter 4 of GSE 202 that you'll be seeing here, right here. And you can listen to the audio lesson.
Good day, everyone. I trust you are doing fine. Today on GSE 202, we are treating chapter 7 of the pack titled Feasibility Study and Feasibility Report Writing. So now, when we said feasibility study and feasibility report writing,
so here you will see the playlist of all the audio lessons for this particular chapter once you download them, and from here you can increase the speed of the tutor.
What do we mean by that? Feasibility.
So let me take it back to 1.0. You can also increase the volume, adjust the volume as the case may be for your use case. You can change it to this screen for you to be able to read the PDF efficiently. So while
Analysis is the process of determining if a business idea is viable.
So once you are done, let's assume that we are done listening to this particular chapter. We have listened to all of this. Now, before you proceed to another chapter, you want to test your knowledge of that particular chapter. So that's where the preparatory part comes in. You click on GSE 202 in the preparatory part. The audio lesson that we're listening to initially was for chapter 4. So we can come here to take questions on chapter 4 that we have just started, that we just learned, what we have just learned. So this gives you the opportunity to learn and immediately evaluate yourself based on what you have learned. So it makes you understand that, okay, I think I really understand this chapter now. No, there are still 1 or 2 things that I need to do. So you take it, it's going to take you to the CBT interface. You're going to do test on what you have just learned. So this chapter 4. So these are tests specific to the chapter 4 that you have just learned. So let's say, okay. So let's assume I'm done and I click on submit. So this will evaluate me and tell me the score that I've gotten, and I can also check solutions to see where I'm wrong, the ones that are correct and the ones that are wrong. So this one will give me an insight, so and I can practice many times. So if I'm able to follow similar process for all other chapters, what I did for chapter 4, I'll be able to do for chapter 1, for chapter 2, and all other chapters. Before I'm done, I'll be able to conclude that, okay, I think I'm good to go. Oh, I think I still need 1 or 2 things to learn from this particular chapter. So when the need arises, maybe you are unclear about 1 or 2 things. This is why this chat button is there. Join group chat, where you will meet with your colleague who are doing that similar course. So in this case, GSE 202. When you click on the link, depending on the platform the tutor wants to use, for instance, as I click on that, you can see GSE 202 support group. This place you will meet other students that are doing that particular subject. In this case, GSE 202. Be able to collaborate with them, ask questions, and the tutor who prepared the audio lessons that you just listening to. So if all of you in your group cannot answer the question, the tutor will answer it for you. So that's that for the click to chat button. Now, at least this one will give you an insight to what you have done so far. Also, you can track your progress to check how you have been doing for all the chapters. So this place gives you an overview of your performance throughout the semester as you are improving, you understand, and gives you an insight to see that, okay, I should be able to kill the CBT, you understand. So this one is a table view. You can also click on the pie chart view to see the overall performance for that particular course. So before you go for exam, you'll have concluded, okay, this course I should have A, this course I should have B. If you are the type that are not reading, you already know that the way I'm going, I will fail, and that can serve as a energy booster for you to pick up your books and read. There is one more interesting part here, is that after you must have done all the chapters 1 to the last chapter, before going for exam, you still have the opportunity to take a study exam. So this is the exam part. This one has to do with everything that you have learned for the semester. So you'll be able to take this exam to see how far you have gone before you go for the exam, the real exam, you understand. So before you go for the real exam, you test yourself, see how good you are, and also check solution as appropriate, you understand. So if you notice, you see that everything is time based and all. So if you are able to do this for all of your courses, we expect that if you are supposed to have 4.42, you understand, and you make use of our app, you should be able to have 4.6 and above. If you are supposed to face tank initially, maybe you are not going to be meeting up to 1.0, 1.5 crossing GP. With the advent of the app, you can be up to like 2 point something or beyond, depending on how you are able to navigate the stuff. So the best part of this app is that everything that I just showed you is available offline, which means you really don't need data all the time. You understand? Once you have access to it once, all the CBT practice and all that I showed you now, they are offline. So which means you can practice on transit, when you are in toilet, when you are in bedroom, anywhere you are, even when you are in on queue on transportation bus, you have the opportunity to take practice and take test. So at least before you go for your exam, that's the academic part. Okay, one more thing for the academics. Let's say, for instance, you are a 200 level student who had a carryover in some other level courses. I bet you that you may not be able to attend the whole of the lectures. So there is a part here where you can come and take CO registration. So here you select the level where you let's say, for example, 200 level. Maybe I'm in 200 level and I have a carryover in 200 level. So I'll take 200 level. The semester is automatically selected for you. For instance, now this one is second semester. So you'll be able to add this course. Once you add it, you can view your card. So okay, I've already deleted it. So you can add this course You understand? Now, view what is in your cart and you can enroll for this course. Once you click on enroll, you can come, you will see the GSE here. You see whatever course that you have put in, and you'll be able to interact with it. So you'll be able to have access to these courses, even for carryover students. You understand? This is a GP calculator. Once you get here, you can be playing with that with yourself. Now there's another part here that has to do with DMB. So if you are just a student, you may not see these icons, the video and the audio text icon. But if you are students, maybe like a departmental president or a faculty president or departmental PRO or the student union president or PRO, depending on the hierarchy that you guys give it. So you'll be able to post updates for students. And when you post updates, if you are a faculty president and you post updates, people in your faculty will receive immediate notification that there's an update. This is like a WhatsApp status kind of, and I'm going to show you an example now. If you are a student union representative, if you post updates, everybody in the school will see it. If you are a departmental president, those belonging to your departments will receive notification that there is an update. So this creates a kind of separation of concern and easier information dissemination across the university. So for instance, let's take a look at test. So welcome to UniApp Digital Solutions. Let me post. So I've already posted a story, and as I post this now, everybody, this is general because I'm from uni, so everybody using the app in your school will receive notifications, even from other universities. You understand? Maybe there's an inter-university update I want to give now. So, but if you're faculty president or faculty department or departmental president, you will receive notification as such, and you can view it now. So this is why I just post, just like normal WhatsApp status that you normally use initially, but this one is just with an enhanced notification system that when your stakeholders, important figures, representatives in the university, when they have information to share, they share it and you receive it as appropriate. So you can also post what's it called? You can post images and add captions like, this is the new UniApp interface post. So, and I have posted this. You can see we have the new interface, right? And we have the UniApp Digital Solutions, and so you should see now. This is what I just posted, and this is the caption. So your representative will be able to use this as they like. So, and it's going to last for 24 hours. These are the informations. You understand? So you can still come back to check them. Now this is the essence of the DMB. You understand? For you to be able to for swift notification system on campus. You can click on the portal to take you to the school portal for you to do whatever you want to do on it. Maybe you want to register something, or you want to do whatever you want to do it. So for your university, this is in long portal. You can come back and so on and so forth. There are a lot of things that you can use UniApp for, but the major part is what you have seen. So this is also notification. Once you get here, you will receive notifications, maybe for scholarship and all. You see all of them here, so that you have central points of all the informations you need as a university student to have a better career than your successors. I just pray that this is able to help a lot of students and give them a better academic achievement. Thank you for joining us in UniApp, and we wish you the best. Thank you.